Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Fife Council Tax account. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Fife Council Tax Login. And as a search result, you can see on the first option, the website of Fife Council. Click on the link. It will take you to the official website, and in this interface you can see here sign in to fife.gov.uk. Click on the button. It will take you to the login portal of Fife Council, and over here it asks for your email or username. Enter your email address. Once you do that, click on continue, and it will ask for your password over there. Enter your password and click on sign in button. You should be able to log in into your Fife Council account. And if you guys have your OT account, you can click here on sign in using OT. And in case if you guys need any help, you can click here need help. So that's how you guys can log in into your Fife Council account. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.